No tail rotor, no second pilot, just one machine, and one pilot controlling pure firepower, cutting through the sky with unmatched precision. This is the deadly Kamov Ka-50, Russia's most mysterious attack helicopter. But here's the question. Is this truly Russia's most advanced attack helicopter? Or a dangerous experiment that pushed aviation to its limits? Most attack helicopters rely on two pilots, one to fly, one to manage weapons, but the Kamov Ka-50 breaks that rule completely. One pilot controls everything: flight, navigation, targeting, weapons, a bold design, or a fatal flaw. The Ka-50 was developed by Kamov Design Bureau during the late Cold War, a time when innovation meant survival. The Soviet Union needed a helicopter that was faster, more agile, and deadlier than anything before. Instead of a traditional tail rotor, the Ka-50 uses a coaxial rotor system. Two rotors stacked on top of each other, spinning in opposite directions. This eliminates torque issues and increases maneuverability dramatically. With unmatched agility, the Kamov Ka-50 can perform maneuvers other helicopters cannot. Sharp turns, quick altitude changes, stable hovering in extreme conditions. But there's a problem. One pilot must handle everything under pressure. The Ka-50 is heavily armed. A powerful 30mm cannon, anti-tank guided missiles, rocket pods, every weapon designed for precision and destruction. The Ka-50 features advanced targeting systems for its time, laser-guided targeting, night vision capability, integrated combat systems, all controlled by a single pilot. But critics argue a single pilot is a weakness. Too much workload, too much risk. In high-intensity combat, can one human handle everything? The answer came in the form of the Kamov Ka-52 Alligator, a two-seat evolution of the Ka-50, adding a second pilot to reduce workload and increase combat effectiveness. So, is the Ka-50 Russia's most advanced attack helicopter? Not anymore, but it was one of the most revolutionary, a bold experiment that changed helicopter design forever. The Ka-50 proved that innovation requires risk. It pushed boundaries, redefined helicopter combat, and inspired future designs. Modern attack helicopters continue to evolve. Better sensors, smarter systems, more automation. But the Ka-50 remains a symbol of bold engineering. The Ka-50 remains one of the most unique attack helicopters ever built, a design unlike any other. One helicopter, one pilot, unlimited firepower. If you want to explore more secrets behind the world's most powerful military machines, subscribe now to Supersonic News. Because the next aircraft we reveal might be even more extreme than this.